Hey guys, today we're going to talk about time equivalency in order to complete this worksheet for your math assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the different words or clocks and you're going to match them to what they show. Now, we could easily look at the clock, and we've learned that when we look at a clock, we count by fives on the big numbers for the minutes, right? So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Well, when we look at the 3, we know that it's at 15. So whenever the minute hand is on the 3, it will be 15. And when we look at the 9, it's at 45. So whenever the minute hand is on the 9, it'll be 45 minutes. And whenever it's on the 6, it will be 30. So when we look at a clock, we can split it into 4 sections. And so here I'm going to show you how we're going to figure out what the different equivalents are. So here I have one clock without the hands on it and a circle, and it says the word quarter. Well, the reason it says quarter is because it's just like when you split the circle into fourths. Another way to say fourth would be this is 1/4 of the circle. So I could take a line down. I could split my clock. Hang on. I could split my clock into fourths or quarters, but you wouldn't see that drawn on the clock. You would just see the hands. So you have to think in your mind that I'm splitting this into quarters. And the reason I showed you 15, the 3 being 15, the 6 being 30, and the 9 being 45, and the 12 being o'clock, is because those are where your marks would be to split it into quarters. So when you have the minute hand on the 3, so let's say the hour hand is on the 1 and the minute hand is on the 3. We know that would be 1:15. Well, we could say, since it's now at this quarter, and that's showing 1/4 at 1:15, we could say another way. Equivalence means that it's just saying another way to say or represent the time. So 1:15, we could say 1/4 because it means that the hands have gone 1/4 past that 1 o'clock hour. And if it's at 45, we have 1/4 until the next hour. So if it was 1:45, we would say 1/4 till until 2 o'clock. So we could say 1/4 to 2 for 1:45, or we could write just 1:45, which we could write in words would be 1:45. And again, this could be 1:15 or 1/4 past, 1/4 after. So instead of saying the word past, we could say 1/4 past 1 o'clock or 1/4 past 1, after 1, I mean. Now, when we look at half, we know that when we split half a circle, it's in 2 parts. So instead of doing 2 lines, we would just do from 12 to 6. And so we could say that when it's at the 30, if the time was 4 o'clock, it's 1/2 past 4. I'm sorry, not 4 o'clock. If it was 4:30, it would be 1/2 past 4. Because we've gone halfway around the clock and we still have another half to go through to get to the next hour. So that's what you're going to be matching, because we have the times on the clock as well as the words. So we have 12:45, 1/4 after 6, 1/2 past 3, 9:15, quarter to 1, 3:30, 6:15, and quarter after 9, along with the clocks that you're going to be matching. And each one has 3 different pictures or words that you need to match to them as the equivalents of 12:45, 3:30, 6:15, and 9:15. And I showed you that 45 would be a quarter till the next hour, or in words, 3:30 would be half past, or you could use the clock, or in words. And 15 would be, for the minutes, would be a quarter past. And again, over here, a quarter past, or 15. So hopefully this helps to explain how to do time equivalents. If you need any help, please message me and I can set something up, since we do not have office hours today. Have a great weekend and good luck. Bye, guys.